We'd love to tell you that you could call Beth or I and just say, would you put us on the ballot in November? And we go, sure, no problem. It's not how it works, folks, not how it works at all. Okay, everything's based on a political calendar. The calendar for this year has been changed so that our primaries are consolidated, which is a good money saver, and it's a positive move for the election business, let's put it that way. June 25th is your new primary. Okay, so here I am starting on June 25th. Why? Because that primary date sets the operation in motion for potential candidates to get on the ballot. All right. So there are 8 major parties in New York State. Those 8 major parties are determined every 4 years based on your vote for governor and whether those major parties can get 50,000 votes on their line for their governor candidate. So this year, based on our primary of June 25th, petitions for the 8 major parties need to be circulated on February 26th is your first day to get your petition signed. Petitions, primaries, what are you talking about? Okay, well, designating petitions are the vehicle for you to get on the ballot for one of those major parties. Now, that doesn't mean for every office that you run for, but if you're running for a state or county office, those designating petitions are your key for getting on the ballot for one of the major parties, okay? So your 8 major parties are the Democrats, Republicans, Conservatives, the Working Families, the Green Party, the Libertarians, the Independence Party, and the SAM Party, which I believe is going to get a name change in the near future. They're new to the political realm, let's say, okay?